Traxxon T-Rex 2000 is an excavator-mounted high-performance rock drill attachment built to be dependable, rugged, and versatile. The extended reach of an excavator, combined with the high performance of the T-Rex 2000, provides a versatile drill rig capable of handling the most demanding jobs. Traxxon Rock Drills manufactures every one of our products using the highest quality components, dedicated skilled technicians, and many decades of experience in the manufacturing of production drilling equipment. Standard features: all the hydraulic power required for the drilling functions, air compressor, and optional equipment are provided by the excavator. Drilling functions are fully proportional, allowing the operator to have precise control in the most challenging ground conditions. After the initial installation, the T-Rex 2000 can be removed or reinstalled in 20 minutes or less. There is a built-in stand with a single balanced lifting hook for easy transportation and storage. The hydraulic valves are mounted on the attachment itself, so when you go back to excavating, there are no expensive valves to get damaged. A heavy-duty stabilizer leg is mounted to the boomstick and will take the full load of the excavator, maintaining mobility and providing protection. Traxxon's patented self-locking 360-degree positioner is used for the feed swing, and the excavator's bucket cylinder provides 180 degrees of feed dump for excellent drilling geometry. A compact electronic control box with a PQ angle indicator is located in the cab with adjustments for operator comfort and can be easily removed for security or when performing other excavator functions. Optional features: drill steel changer, which allows the operator to add an additional drill steel without having to leave their seat. Dust collector with swingway mounting for ease of transportation, operational safety, and increased drilling performance. Additional 360-degree dump positioner for the most extreme and difficult angles. Water suppression system for dust management and starting holes. Different feed lengths and drill size heads for different sized applications. Complete customization for unique job opportunities or specialized work. Benefits: big reach advantage over dedicated hydraulic drill rigs. Ideal for blast hole, pipeline, pre-shear, rock bolting, and drilling with casing. Incredible geometry for drilling from nearly every possible angle. Excellent mobility. Lower capital cost than a dedicated drill rig. Hydraulic drill performance and reliability. Imagine drilling in the most hard-to-reach areas. Drilling with the most unique angles. Achieving the best drilling precision. You are now thinking of what drilling with the T-Rex 2000 is like. For more information, go to Traxxon.com or call 1-800-877-7757.